Hello my friends, today I'll share with you a cool set of most useful gadgets on Amazon that you actually need. There are some items that when you see them, you'd wonder how you ever manage without them. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. 11. Carex 4-in-1 Wireless Charger Stand. This multifunctional 4-in-1 smart charging station combines QI fast wireless charger with 3 connectors base charger. The 3 connectors base is rotary at 360 degrees, suitable for iPhone, Android Type-C, and Android micro USB cell phones. 10. OMORC Fruit Infuser Water Bottle. Do you know that over 66% people are chronically dehydrated? Have you realized that you're probably one of those who don't drink enough water daily? Well, OMORC Fruit Infused Water Bottle helps motivate you to drink more, and a larger water capacity of 32 oz helps keep you hydrated and healthier. The full length of infuser and rod ensures you can drink the water until very last sip. Standard mouth allows for filling fruit and ice cubes easily, providing the best flavor possible. OMORC made from toxin-free, shatter-resistant and impact-resistant Triton materials. The bottle is completely BPA-free to create more healthy concoctions and seal the flavor of your drink. My friends, remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. 9. FlexSafe, the anti-theft portable beach chair. Have you ever worried about your stuff while at the beach, pool, or water park? FlexSafe is the ultimate personal small safe that is packable, flexible, and water-resistant. Keeps your phone, wallet, and other essentials safe from would-be thieves. 5-layer slash-resistant design, heavy-duty build quality. Easily packable and flexible, this is the personal small safe designed to go where you go. Secure all of your valuables in the internal zipper pouch and lock to any fixed object, as seen in Shark Tank. The patented locking design integrally locks securely to your beach chair, wheelchair, or any other fixed object. 8. CleverMade Secure Package Delivery Box. It is no secret that the amount of packages getting taken by porch pirates is increasing at an alarming rate. While innovative solutions have sprung up to allow delivery drivers inside of your house and car, the CleverMade lockbox was designed to sit right outside of your front door to protect your valuable deliveries. We know that some of you aren't comfortable with strangers inside of your home, so we designed this product to sit firmly right outside of your home in a convenient spot for package drop-offs. The package protector can be assembled in minutes with a Phillips head screwdriver or a variable speed drill with a Phillips head. Seven. Goodpapa Electric Toilet Brush with Self-Cleaning. Your toilet should always be as clean as any other place at your home. That's easier said than done, you might think. But we're happy to tell you that it's now as easy as it should be. The world's smartest toilet brush is built with a powerful motor that is designed to deliver an in-depth cleaning experience of stains, while ensuring you're always safe as you use Goodpapa. After all, hygiene and safety go hand in hand. And that's how we designed this unique device. As you finish the use of Goodpapa, it automatically turns on the self-cleaning mode. And you'll like to know that this is a device that allows for a convenient USB charging experience. My friends, if you like at least one of the gadgets, push like please. 6. ZVEdeng iPhone X's Wallet Case. Do you still worry about not being able to carry your essentials? ZVEdeng Wallet Series with card holder, built for simplifying your life and meeting your daily needs. Handmade craftsmanship and reinforced stitching makes it durable and shockproof. This case perfectly fits for your Apple iPhone XS 5.8-inch 2018 and iPhone X 5.8-inch 2017. Feels good in hand, just designed to simplify your daily life. The back carbon fiber wallet can carry up to 6 cards like credit cards, debit cards, IDs, or cash at your preference. Flexible elastic webbing maximum improved cards capacity. It's just perfect for card carriers. 5. Carex Portable Lifting Seat. Lifting seats are unique products that help you get up from your chair. These portable sit-to-stand assistive devices use level lift technology that gently curves the seat to lift you safely on a level plane without pushing you forward. Lifting seats are best suited for those with light to moderate difficulty standing up on their own from a seated position, often due to arthritis, neuromuscular problems, diabetes, cardiovascular or orthopedic conditions. Use inside or outside the home on most armchairs and sofas. The standing aid is portable, so you can also take it on the go. A lift assistance device for elderly, handicapped, or disabled that is also self-powered. The hydro-pneumatic gas spring in the chair lift releases slowly as the user begins to stand. No batteries needed. Four. Tzowla Anti-Theft Travel Laptop Backpack. Luggage or suitcase strap on the back is great to slide over the luggage tube and attach to your rolling luggage securely for easier transport. Don't have to carry the backpack on your back. Less burden on your shoulder and back when on the go. The hidden theft-proof pocket design in the back sits up against the wearer's body. Anti-pickpocket back pocket is difficult to steal personal items. Store your valuables such as passport and money when traveling so no one can get into it without you feeling it. Dear friends, remember to leave a comment on which gadgets you like the most. 3. Runtasty Running Mini Backpack Vest. This is the revolutionary minimalist backpack design that works perfectly for day and night running, walking, biking, and commuting to work or school. It's just right for travel and will hold any smartphone, passport, ID, cards, mini tablet, keys, small water bottle, and cash. It's very comfortable and lightweight with an ultra-slim 0.2-inch thickness compared to other backpacks that are thick and bulky with lots of weight. This is the lightweight alternative that you can wear comfortably for hours of enjoyment. This minimalist backpack includes 2 convenient pockets for more carry space when you might imagine in a backpack this slim and compact. Two. NVTED USB LED Reading Light Lamp. The creative and fashionable astronaut LED light looks really cute hovering over a bottle of wine, looking like he traveled millions of miles to discover the greatest thing in the universe. Soft shade avoids direct eye contact with LED bulb. Protect your eyes during reading. Small power consumption, energy saving, and environmental protection. The cute spaceman design that not only lights up your world but also lifts your mood. Flexible ultra-fine gooseneck arm, adjusted to different angles to brighten desired areas. Easy to use, simply push up and down the mast to turn on or off the light. No external power supply is needed, powered from the USB port directly such as a power bank or laptop. One. V-shaped slimming face mask. Facial lifting mask will let you enjoy the V-face experience from the cheek to the chin. Repair facial contours and tighten double chin. Prevent fat accumulation. Containing rich essence, it can prevent facial fiber from turning into adipose tissue, thus repelling the fat face caused by the obesity and making the facial repair perfectly curved. Especially for facial edema, fat accumulation, and other issues, can effectively reduce fat, removal of edema, reshape lines of the face, and etc. Dear friends, finally remember to subscribe to my channel because in the future there will be a lot of useful gadgets on Amazon. If you like at least one of the gadgets, push like please and leave a comment on which gadget you like the most. See you in the next video. Goodbye!